Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Skate 4 error code 39672690002. The error reads, "Connection lost. You have been kicked from the server. CEA.com unable to connect for additional information." Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when players try to play Skate 4 online. Many users shared that they get kicked from the server within a minute of playing and receive the error. According to our research, this error is most likely related to internet connection issues, corrupted game files, or temporary server outages. The first thing we suggest is to restart your router. Simply turn it off for at least 10 seconds, then turn it back on again and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then restart your PC or console and try launching the game again. After restarting, check for the error. If the error still persists, repair the game files through the EA app. Once the repair is complete, launch the game and see if the error still comes. At last, if you still get the error, then it is most likely a server-side issue. In this case, wait for some time and then try again. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.